In this video, we are going to see how we can replace the NA error in Excel with a custom text. So let's say I want to turn it into some other error or any other custom text not found or something like that. How can I convert that? It's very simple. What I have to do is just open the existing formula, and in the starting, just after equal to, I'll just write if error. We don't even need to write it fully. We just select this, press tab, and boom, this is done. So it's asking on which value you can see the error. I just keep the value as it is. Whatever is written in the formula, I'm not concerned with that. I am just concerned with that when the error comes on any situation in this value or in this formula, then what you need to do. So in starting, we just use if error just after the equals to sign, and in the end, whatever the formulas is, even we have multiple and long formulas, just you have to go to the end, put a comma, and just define the value if the error comes. So instead of not available, what do you want to show up? I just want to show up not found. And since this is just a text, this is not a formula, this is not a number or anything that Excel can understand, we have to put the double quotation marks to open and close this, hit enter. It will make the correction and close the bracket at the end. Click yes. And now we can convert it like this. If we just drag it towards right, all the errors are converted. We just have to customize the column index number. Just make sure to do that. And then whenever we have the right data, it will show us the results. Whenever we have anything else, we just see this error. So that's how it works. Just try this by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.